Hi Najathians, I am Muhammed Shaheem from class 10. So excited to hear that we are going to conduct e-election on this year, July 7th. And I thank our principal and all those who are working behind this.
I am one of the candidates of our election and my symbol is laptop. If I get elected as the head boy, I would like to put this idea.
We are conducting arts and surely this will be taken to another level which Najath had never seen. We will bring every child under a club and we will be conducting various programs through it. A great chance to understand and develop your skills. Contact me at any time and I will be replying you as soon as possible. Only some few of my plans and there are so many left. Inshallah, we together can put it into practice. My friend Rima is also standing in election as a head girl, so support her too. We will both work for your goodness and your well-being. Once again, I am Muhammad Shaheem from class 10, standing for the position of head boy and my symbol is laptop. Have a nice day.